if you are looking for an IDE, you've probably been looking around and figuring, well, there's so many options. How do I actually make the decision, and what do I base that decision on? Well, today we're going to have a look at CodeLite. We're also going to have a look at Visual Studio, and we want to know what features they offer. We're going to put them head to head and see which one outweighs the other. So let's check them out. Okay, we're looking at CodeLite now. So some of their key features is the comprehensive code tools, their advanced debugging with a built-in debugger, which features breakpoints, watches, and call stack visualization. Their project management tools, you can organize complex code bases with robust projective navigation and file handling. And their feature-rich editor, so you have a syntax highlighting and navigation tool, enhancing coding precision, as well as, of course, speed. Having a look at their development environment, you get first-class support for C and C++ with Clang and GCC integrations. Their smart parsing and indexing makes navigating large code bases quite effortless. It comes with a complete toolchain for Rust development and cargo support. And syntax highlighting and error detection is tailored for Rust's unique features. It's available on Windows, on Mac, Linux, and FreeBSD. The consistent experience across all of the platforms with native performance really is fantastic. The last thing over here is their customization options, which transform CodeLite into your perfect coding companion. So it has a full extent functionality with community developed or even custom plugins for specialized workflows, seamless incorporate external tools and you can seamlessly incorporate external tools and custom scripts in your development process. You can tailor your layouts, keyboard shortcuts, and themes to match your coding style. So VS Code is an AI coding assistant. It can help you enhance your coding workflow with its AI-powered assistant. It actually streamlines development through intelligent features and natural language conversation. You can see over here, we've got a couple features. They're intelligent suggestions. So it actually generates whole blocks of code as you type based on your original existing context. And then also it has style matching. So it analyzes your code base to match your coding style. So it's not just coding, but it's coding like you. Also, it's quite time saving. So it has a suggestions tab, and you can actually just tap it for faster development. And it has quite a vast knowledge. So it's trained on billions of lines of open source code, which is absolutely fantastic. So there we go. With so many options available, it's often difficult to make a decision and stick to the decision. My advice always is to try all of your options, even if it is for a short amount of time, just to see what actually works for you with a more hands-on approach, and then make a decision thereafter. Just remember that we're all individuals and we all have individual needs. If this was really helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.